What's up? It's blindingly bright. Welcome back to the garage. Let's build a little double switch situation. I don't remember if I already published a video teasing the switches that I was designing, but I want to bring you guys along for that ride tonight. All right, moving on from that lethal face card, let's show you guys what we're working with. So, got the switches I mentioned from last time. Itty bitty things. Again, I actually guess I don't remember if I have mentioned these before. Can I focus on this? There you go. Tiny little switches, super affordable, much better system. We have this housing now that I designed and a flexible little button presser, these little paddles that go on the top that's soldered, like welded together. So we need two switches, the housing and its top. I've also been using two different kinds of heat shrink to kind of visually distinguish the two cables, because one will be for the power and one will be for reset. We have the little terminal ends here, the little female headers, one for each switch, and I think that's about it. Got the tool to crimp the female ends, got the female bits there. Let's see, what else? Multimeter to test and make sure there's connectivity throughout. So yeah, those are all the pieces of the pie. I'm just gonna set the camera up, I think, and go to town. Okay, this is taking way too long, so I'm just gonna show you guys the process for one, now that I think I have it down. We'll see. So I put it in this size. I'm trying to show this for the camera, sorry. I get that one click down. I take the non-stripped end of the cable and do not put it too far in, lest I ruin this. And then I do a little extra in that last one, but not too much or it'll break. Then I think, yep, perfect fit. Okay, we got it down. There you go. Got it down to a science. The next part I'm going to show you guys is the assembly. Okay, we have the heat shrink sleeves on the cables, and then we have them both switches pair pulled through the housing here. So now I will get to soldering these on, and I think I need more flux. Probably not gonna film the soldering part, so, oh man, this flux sticker will not stay on there anymore. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna film the soldering part, but I wanted to show you guys that. Maybe I'll record it and speed it up. Okay, I wanted to show you guys this before we solder it, because I think I'll call this done. But yeah, so you can see visually how this kind of looks with that panel on top. Hopefully you can hear the clicking, if I can hold that in place. Yeah, so nice clicking, nice little dual button. I think when I show you guys soldering this, if I do, I'll show you the little clip that goes on the back of this to place it anywhere on your board. And yeah, there you go. Just have to put these heat shrink tubes on with a lighter, and this is a completed switch. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Love you. Great switches, look at those. Can't get over how nice that little design is. If you like this video, please, there will be a giveaway, a gaming PC live stream build and giveaway in like a week. If you're watching this immediately, which maybe 5 people will be, so tune in, your chances are pretty good.